we're going to be doing the in-cabin filter. On this one's going to be right behind the glove box. You open that up. There is going to be a small little hook on this side that you release. You kind of just pull it towards the car, just like that. After that, it's released. You kind of just, again, pull like towards yourself. That way you can release that little ear. And same way on this one, you just kind of push and until it pops out like that, and just bring it down. So you can either let it go or just hold on to it. And there's going to be these two little tabs right here. Just pull up, push up until it comes out and releases. And then there are going to be these two little clips right here. These two little ears. You press them and you pull towards yourself. It should come right out. And then this is your in-cabin filter, and just pull out. There you go. So we're gonna note down here that there's a little arrow. So removing this filter right here, you just basically pull up. And it should have an arrow pointing up, and this is the old in-cabin filter. And yeah, it was pointing up. So again, we're gonna be positioned in the same way. We're gonna look for that arrow. Make sure it's pointing up. There's gonna be two little ears right here, and just make sure they're underneath there. And then same way on this side, as you can see, little ears underneath. I ended up putting it back. Let me take it back out. So then you just kind of go back in there, just push it, make sure it's flush all the way in. And then we're just going to put that cover back in. There's going to be two little ears on this end. Just make sure that they go in first. And again, reminder, the arrow is up. And then you just kind of push in until it kind of clicks. Shouldn't come out anymore. Same way, tabs go up. You click. And then on this one, you just basically go up. It's in, it's basically locked. And don't forget to put that little tab at the end. You can just pull it down towards, and then just push it in. Lock it in. Just make sure that it's working. Open it up and close it up.